guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside this beautiful red Lululemon bag. This is actually something I told myself I would never purchase before, but here I am contradicting myself and putting my foot in my mouth. As always, I tend to do that here on my YouTube channel, but nonetheless, I'm going to keep this intro short, simple, and sweet, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section if you own this item because it's extremely popular. 2 days ago, I placed an order online at Lululemon. Yesterday, I went to go pick it up, and today it's in my possession. Say welcome to the family, to the new, or to my Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag, I believe is the name. The most anticlimactic review or unboxing of a bag on my channel, but that's because I want to do more so mod shots with this bag and a what fits inside segment of this bag, because when I was looking on YouTube for information regarding this bag, it's oversaturated. Everyone owns this, everyone has purchased it, but I want to see it on people like myself. And this is why I tell everyone to start a YouTube channel. Even if you think that, you know, the information's already out there, you might provide something different for someone else. Hopefully, with me trying on this bag, showing you what it looks like on, I'll provide you with a different insight that might not be out there, even though I know there are thousands of videos out about this bag. And so this is the 2L size in the flush pink color with tax. I believe it came to $50 and 80 something cents. I'll look for my receipt to see 100%. And I was actually shocked at the price because I went to Nike, I went to Under Armour, and I went somewhere else, maybe Adidas. They did have fanny packs there, but they were generally 40 to 50 bucks. I even saw one, I think at Nike, for 60. And I was like, well, if I'm gonna be spending this much money anyways on a fanny pack, I might as well get the Lululemon one that everyone owns. Also, this was the best pink that I saw. And so what prompted me actually to buy this fanny pack was when I went to Disney, I was wearing this, you know, beautiful thing right here. I love this fanny pack, y'all. It is my Patagonia black hole ultra light fanny pack. I believe that's the literal name before you guys think I'm making something up. This thing goes with me everywhere, even if I'm carrying my, let's say, Longchamp totes or my Neverfull, my Neo Noe even. This will somehow be in there in case I need to add something close to my body. I have become a fanny pack lover, and so this has been the one that I've been using, owning, loving, and I wore this to Disney. But unfortunately, it was limited in space. It fits a lot. You know, I can fit my phone, my hand sanitizer, my card holder, my chapstick, my wad of cash, because if you're going to a theme park, let's say, you usually have cash with you. I kept, you know, a little bit of makeup in here as well, and it was fine. But it was almost bursting at the seams. And so when I had it across my body, it looked a little awkward and it was a little heavy and it was weighing me down because the stuff was not really distributed across a bigger area. It was like this tiny little brick that I had with me. I mean, granted, I could use it as a weapon, but I realized that I wanted something a tick bigger. At Disney World, I saw everyone wearing this Lululemon bag, and I don't want to be like, I'm never one of those people where I see a whole bunch of individuals wearing something or doing something and want to copy them. But I told myself, you know what, Hayley, you've been putting off buying this dang belt bag forever. Just give in, see if you like it. It's only 40 or 50 bucks and go from there, because you love fanny packs anyways, and they have really nice colors at Lululemon. And so this was the fan favorite at Disney. I also saw a few Louis Vuitton bum bags at Disney World, which was shocking because I would never. I also saw a few Stony Clover Lane fanny packs at Disney as well. I believe those are the fanny packs that I saw. I always get them confused with another brand, but I'm pretty sure it was Stony Clover Lane. But nonetheless, the Lululemon Everywhere belt bag was everywhere to be seen by young people, old people, and everyone in between. I'm of course going to wear this not as a fanny pack, but as a crossbody thing like this. And I think this is one of the reasons why I got the 2L versus the 1L, even though someone's probably going to say in the comment section that the length of the straps are the same. I feel like this one looks longer on your body, and when I wear this one, it's so limited in length that I don't even know if you guys can tell how much longer this, wait, if you hold it like this, you see how much longer this one is? And I don't even think this one is all the way down. This one isn't all the way down either, but still, there's so much more like adjustability here. I also got this size because I already have this one, which is equivalent in my opinion to the Lululemon mini belt bag, where I thought to myself, don't get the middle size because you wanted more space, and so you might as well get the bigger size because it's only $10 more and you'll be able to fit more, and you'll appreciate that when you actually need the space. I got this color because I already have black, and I feel like these are very contrasting colors. It's not like I got this in black so then I have two freaking black fanny packs. I told myself if I really like this and I find it useful, then I will get it in a black or a dark navy or any type of dark color that they offer to see. But I think this is still neutral. It's pink. It matches my aesthetic and my wardrobe and everything that I like to wear. So that was the main reason, or I guess some of the main reasons why I purchased this one in this color and this size. It has, you know, because this is the first time I'm getting to play with it and see it in person. Probably, maybe like some of y'all, I don't know, maybe you've seen it, maybe you've touched it and you haven't purchased it, but for me, this is the first time I'm actually messing with it. Also, I think another big thing to say is that I enjoy these reinforced straps a little bit more than these straps, because on the smaller belt bags from Lululemon, they have the same strap like this, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's also reinforced, as you can tell, but this is just thicker, and I prefer that. And a lot of people, one of the reasons that they don't buy this bag is because they don't like this thick strap. Maybe it's because I'm older, I don't know, but I prefer it that way. Back pocket here, which I think would be interesting maybe if you're traveling, to put your money and your documents inside here because it's the closest to your body. No one can really stick their hand inside there, because if they would be, depending on where you have it hanging on your body, they'd be sticking you in your boob or sticking you in your fanny, and you'd be able to feel that. Then you have the opened up version or view of the bag, which has a mesh compartment or two. Oh, very interesting. I didn't know. It has technically three mesh compartments. So one on each side, but on one side, which is the front side, it's divided into two mesh compartments. So you have two areas to put things in right there. Then the back mesh compartment is just big. And then you have the big empty space in the middle to put all of your wants, needs, and desires. I really feel like you could fit so, like, y'all, look, I can fit my whole other fanny pack in there, my phone, wait, oh my lord, sunglasses, a case, put a whole remote in there. Oh, I am shocked. And still, you could even lift it. It's gonna, oh, y'all, and it even zips. I'm so excited about this, y'all, because I'm going back to Disney in a couple of days. I'm gonna be able to wear this. I'm gonna go on a few like hikes in a couple of days as well, and I can wear this. I am so freaking excited about this freaking fanny pack. Wow, it was a really good purchase. It's so funny to me because sometimes the smaller purchases that you make, I still think 50 bucks for a fanny pack is a lot of money, but that seems to be the going rate. But nonetheless, it's a smaller purchase for this channel and for handbags for me. And it's always funny that sometimes the smaller, more affordable purchases that you make tend to be the ones you're most excited about. And I think it's because I know that this is going to be extremely practical in my life. And you know what? I'm just like a youthful soul right now. I see these little girls wearing this bag, and now I'm gonna be one of the older ladies that's trying to be hip. I'm a millennial with a fanny pack, using it as a crossbody, y'all. That's what it looks like on. That's how it's on me. I'm gonna do some mod shots now though for you guys. I might do a voiceover talking so you guys can hear everything. But I think Modshots first, and then I'm gonna go into the what fits inside. So I will see you guys in a couple of seconds or minutes. So those were the mod shots, and I hope they help you out. Now I'm gonna move into what fits inside the bag. And as you guys saw earlier, this can fit all of your essentials and then some. It's actually quite shocking because I believe that this little fanny pack fits more than my Gucci Dionysus Mini and or my Chanel rectangular mini. I'm honestly shocked with what can fit inside of this bag, you guys. I'm not going to lie. I thought it was only going to be able to fit maybe my phone and a little bit more than my Patagonia fanny pack, but this actually holds everything under the kitchen sink for my daily essentials, which is amazing, and that's the exact reason that I purchased it. I'm going to Disney again in a couple of days, and I'll get to try it out in person there. If I really love it, I'm probably going to buy it in more colors. I could see myself getting it in black. I could also see myself getting it in maybe a brighter pink like this color. And if they did come out with this color in this fanny pack, y'all, chef's freaking kiss. But I might get it in different sizes as well. But for right now, this is amazing, awesome. I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna love it. It's gonna get drug through the mud. And so yeah, I think that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next upload. Have a wonderful day, and bye.